like a journey, sharing her age, youthful age, baby to a lady. Ladies and gentlemen, in all gratitude and thanks to the dearest mother, can we all stand? And let us celebrate life and love. We have a very strong woman behind it all, the dearest mother of our birthday celebrant. A round of applause to Dr. Vilma Lastimosa Pilotos. Symbolizes the very special people in her life. And through the years, Dr. Vilma stood it all. Please take your seats. Let us hear from the dearest mother.
My dearest pretty little baby, now a lady and pretty woman, just like mommy. So strong enough to be in my womb for 9 months. And now, I could not imagine that she is receiving the gift of new life. 18 years from hardship of her heart ailment, but in just 3 days, it was given a miracle by God above. With all the prayers, ang tanging ina, so silently, always keep on praying in the middle of the night. I cried alone, but I keep so strong. My only confidant is aside my son and my husband is God above. I'm very thankful to the Lord that He gave me my wish that blind will be given a new life just like any other children. Even the children in the street that no mother is caring, I ask for that. That Lord, give the life of my angel blind, because it isn't fair for those children that they have no mommy in the middle of the rain, in the middle of the hunger, and the middle when they ask for love. And here I am, Lord, I'm full of love of my little angel. But she is suffering from the most important system in her life, the heart. So it's very difficult. As I recall, when we stayed in the hospital, only me and Angel prayed so much. But after the operation, I will share to you that after operation, 2 hours after, even if she was injected by the anesthesia, she was able to wake up. Unlike the other children that was also nadungan niya o opera, 3 days pa na wake up. And then I saw her in the glass. I thumbs up. She said, grabe. Super agad ang Ginoo. Divine providence. When you ask God so fervently and so honestly with all your heart, it will be given unto you. And now this is my miracle baby in her 18th birthday, and I asked her that mommy will always be in her side as long as mommy will live, and I'm praying that all her dreams will be realized with the rest of my family who will support him. Because mommy, ang ina at ilaw ng tahanan. Mo ni na adjud symbolizes the candle. I will light her ways, her robe, her her ambition, so that slowly she could reach whatever she wants in life. So this candle symbolizes the love of a mother, the light of a mother. Maugin na siya ang atong hinagduman because Angel Glide, I cannot remember nga wa dili siya magrespeto nako. She is a very loving daughter. Ever since the world began, kung unsay nakita niya sa mga classmates, ingon anak ko na siya sa balay, pinangka jud kay niya ang tanan. And she respect everybody, and then humble, and I will always pray nga stay your humbleness, do not be changed until you reach your dreams. Mommy is always there for you. You always remember the song, Mama's Love. Ikaw ang mama, nagmamahal sa'yo. Diba? Oh. Muna siya. I always give her that kind of song whenever she will sleep and kiss her in the forehead. Makatulog na siya. Mawala na ang sakit siyang dughan. No? So, like, I wish you all the best in your life. Always remember, Mommy, Daddy, and Kuya, and the rest of your family, and the rest of your friends will always be praying for you. God bless, and Mama Mary always stay for you. Santo Niño. Thank you very much.
Thank you.